Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get a perfect skin with makeup. Yes, I said it, how to get a perfect skin with makeup. And I'm here to show you that you can definitely get a perfect skin with makeup to look very flawless and natural at the same time. Trust me. So pretty much I'm jumping right into the video because I already did this eye look. It's already up on my channel, so make sure you check that out. But right now my face is just blank, right? Nothing on my face. You can see all dark spots, you can see all the X's on my face, you can see all the heartbreaks, you can see all the cheese, you can see all the everything pretty much. Okay, so first thing first, you have to prep your skin. And to prep your skin, I am going into my Fenty, and this is a Pro Filter Primer. And I'm gonna go ahead, and I told myself that I'm gonna go online and order me another one because it is finished and I'm like digging it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with prepping my skin. Guys, you have to prep your skin before anything at all. Even when you're not putting on, makeup, you still have to prep your skin with primer and moisturizer. And you guys know that I'm not a primer person because I do have dry skin. So I go in with like a hydrating primer. I sometimes go into this, which is my favorite, or the Fenty Pro Filter that I just put on my face. But pretty much, if you do have dry skin, go into like a very hydrated primer and you will definitely feel good on your skin. It will definitely feels good. Okay, so now that is on, I'm going to go into my eye cream. I'm going to take my eye cream. You can use any eye cream of your choice. And just take a little bit like that and then rub it underneath your eyes. And this will help with the poofiness that you have going on, and also it will minimize the creases, because you guys know everybody have creases underneath their eyelid and creases here, all of that stuff. So eye cream will definitely help minimize it. It won't completely go away, but it will definitely minimize it. So go ahead and put it on just like that. So next I'm going to go into my hydraulic serum. This one has hydraulic acid in it, and I really love this. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some onto my hand like this and just rub it in, kind of like massage it in. And if you're not using hydraulic serum on your face, you better start doing it right now, because this is really good. And especially for dark skinned girls like us, hydraulic acid is really good for your skin, and you definitely want to do this. So make sure you go ahead and just massage it into your skin all over and then let it sit. I normally do my eyes and everything, but I did do a makeup tutorial on this, so that's the reason why I'm coming on camera with my whole entire eyes all done. So I normally let it sit on my face for like a minute, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so next what you want to do is color correct or conceal all these dark spots right here. Wherever you do have dark spot, I don't really have a lot of dark spot like a lot of people, but for me the main part of my dark spot is under my eyes. As you can see, I do have dark spot there and a little bit here. It doesn't show that much, but right here, yeah. So I'm going to go into a very drugstore fave that everybody and their mama use. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'm going to go ahead and take that. And wherever I have that dark spot, and I'm doing this before foundation and everything, I am concealing before foundation. You could definitely do this. There is no step that you have to do before anything in makeup. Whatever suits you, do it. You don't have to follow anyone and do this, but this is what I sometimes do. Not all the time, but I need to get another one. It's almost done. Pretty much wherever you have the 5 o'clock shadow, like what they say, you know, we all have a 5 o'clock shadow. So just go ahead and conceal there. And then you're gonna take your beauty blender and just make sure it's damp, squeeze it out, and just start blending. Okay, so after you do that, you're gonna look crazy for a minute, but don't worry. This is where you go in with your foundation. And for foundation, I'm gonna go into my Juvias Place foundation. You guys know I rave about this, and I did do a review, so make sure you guys go ahead and check it out. But I'm gonna go into my Juvias Place foundation, and I'm in the shade Malawi. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that, and I'm using that same beauty blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and just put it all over. Do not put a lot, because trust me, this goes a long way. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm gonna just dot a few on my face, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. Okay guys, so you see how flawless this look? This looks like skin on my skin, okay? So this is what you really need to go for. You need to go for something that is full coverage and also not too heavy on your face and doesn't look cakey at all. And this foundation right here and few other foundation that I have that I swear on, because it's my money bought it and I'm not getting any PR, nothing like that. So when I talk about stuff on my channel and review makeup, new makeup that comes out and everything, trust me, that's my honest review, because I'm not getting paid for this, okay? Nothing at all. And I do swear by this makeup, even though it's a lot of drama behind it. But listen, I bought it with my hard working money, and if it's good, I'm gonna tell you it's good. If it's not, you're gonna hear it, trust me. So next, I'm gonna go into their concealer, and I picked up the shade number 11, and I'm gonna go ahead and take that and conceal. I am not putting too much, because this is the same thing like the foundation. A little bit goes a long way. So I'm taking that. And the reason why I take 2 concealer underneath my eyes is because the first one is the one to color correct, right? And this one is to make your highlights pop more. Sorry, not your highlights, your concealer pop more underneath your eyes. So yes, that's it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start with the chin. Okay guys, so next you're gonna quickly go ahead and set your concealer, and I'm gonna go into the Sasha Buttercup, and I'm taking a little bit into the cover and tap it in. And if you're not dry skin like me, you could go ahead and bake, but you guys know I cannot bake, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just tap it in so that the crease does not show up right away. You know, this is the hard part of makeup. Makeup, yes, creases, creases, creases. And I'm gonna take that and put it where my smile line is, right here. So after that, I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and just dust it off. And then I'm gonna go into my NYX. This is what I use to contour, and I'm doing a powder contour. You guys know I always do powder contour, nothing new here. So next I'm gonna take a smaller brush And I'm going to go ahead and tap it off, and I'm going to take it for my nose contour. And I'm doing a very slight nose contour, not, you know, not too dramatic, because I want this to look very natural. And if it looked very harsh, take that same beauty blender that I used for my face and just blend it out. Next, I'm going to go into my finishing powder, which is MAC in NW45. And I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face with that, just so that it could be even out. Okay, so afterwards, before I spray my face, because I really need to spray my face, like seriously, I'm gonna go into my Anastasia blush trio. You guys, listen, I need to get another blush that I really love, because this is the only blush I have in my entire collection. And I really love this. I'm not a blush person, but when I went to Sephora and I picked this up, I fell in love. I really fell in love, and I can't put it down. And this is the only blush I use. Like, this is the only thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just swerve it onto the cheeks and bring it all the way up to my hairline. You see how natural this looks? Like, I really love this. It looks so subtle, so natural. I really love it. Okay, so next for the spray, I'm gonna go into my Mario Badescus. And then I'm gonna go back and just tap it in. Afterwards, I'm gonna go into my e.l.f. and this one is in Coffee and Cream. And I'm gonna take both sides, tap, and just sweep it onto my cheeks. Look at that. Oh, this looks so pretty. I really love it. I'm also gonna take that and I'm gonna take it right into the inner corner, and I'm gonna use a small brush for that. So for lips, I'm gonna go into this brown shade right here, which is called Chocolate. And then I'm gonna go into my Lena cosmetic, which is called Sand Nude. And first, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Okay guys, so to top it off, I'm gonna take my Marc Jacob. I don't know what shade is this. The shade is under the bottom and it's so small, but this is like a gloss, and I'm gonna take it, put it right into the center, just so that it could be more, you know, glossy instead of matte. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again, and I'm using another spray. I'm using the Glam Glow. Okay guys, so I am all done. This is it guys. This was very simple and it's very easy. As you can see how my skin is looking flawless, glowy and nice. And this was very easy with few products that you really need. You don't need a whole lot of product to get this look. And I hope you love it. I love it. I don't want to take my makeup off, but I'm not going anywhere, so pretty much I'm just gonna take some couple thumbnail and Instagram pictures, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Yeah, I know. But I hope you love this video. Please don't forget to check me out every single Tuesday and Thursday for more. Make sure you turn on that bell so you could get notified, because YouTube is acting up. So yeah, let's be friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.